Are you tired of constantly having to turn down your in-game graphics settings just to get a decent, playable frame rate? Or maybe you were still rocking an older generation graphics card and you were finally ready to make the leap into the glorious world of ultra-smooth, high-fidelity 1440p gaming without entirely emptying your bank account. Well, my friends, you have clicked on exactly the right video today. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a deep, comprehensive dive into a graphics card that has been seriously turning heads in the PC building community. I am talking about the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7700 XT Gaming OC 12G. If you are looking for the absolute sweet spot of price to performance for your desktop, you will want to grab a snack and stick around for this one. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, I want to remind you that if you want to check the current pricing or pick up this exact GPU for your own rig, I have dropped a direct Amazon link right at the top of the video description below. Prices on Amazon fluctuate all the time, so definitely click that link to see the best deal available right now. Let us kick things off by talking about the engine under the hood. The graphics coprocessor powering this beast is the AMD Radeon RX 7700 XT. Built on AMD's highly efficient and incredibly powerful RDNA 3 architecture, this card is specifically engineered to absolutely dominate 1440p gaming. For the longest time, 1080p was the standard, but as monitors have become cheaper, 1440p has become the new benchmark for PC gamers. It offers a massive upgrade in visual clarity over 1080p without demanding the insane budget-breaking horsepower required for 4K, and this is exactly where the RX 7700 XT shines. But a powerful chip is nothing without memory to back it up. We have all seen the recent controversies in the gaming community about graphics cards launching with simply not enough VRAM. Modern AAA games are demanding more memory than ever before, with high-resolution textures eating up VRAM like crazy. GIGABYTE and AMD completely sidestepped that issue here by outfitting this card with a massive 12 GB of GDDR6 graphics RAM. Why does 12 GB matter to you? It means future-proofing. It means you can crank those texture settings up to ultra in games like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, or the latest Call of Duty without experiencing those annoying micro-stutters or texture pop-ins that happen when a card runs out of memory. Paired with a 192-bit memory interface and a lightning-fast memory clock speed of 18,000 MHz, which pushes massive amounts of data per second, this card ensures that your gaming experience remains incredibly fluid, even in the most intense, action-packed scenes. Now, let us talk about pure speed. The OC in the name, GVR77XT Gaming OC 12GD, stands for overclocked. And GIGABYTE is not messing around here. Right out of the box, this GPU features a blistering clock speed of up to 2,599 MHz. You don't need to be a software tweaking genius or an extreme overclocker to get elite performance. GIGABYTE has done the hard work for you at the factory, pushing the AMD silicone to its optimal limits so you get maximum frame rates the second you plug it into your PCI Express slot. Speaking of plugging it in, let's discuss compatibility and connectivity. This card uses the modern PCI Express interface, making it universally compatible with virtually any modern desktop gaming motherboard. When you look at the back of the card, you are greeted with a premium video output interface featuring both DisplayPort and HDMI ports. Whether you're running a high refresh rate esports monitor, a massive ultra-wide display, or even plugging into your living room OLED TV, you are completely covered. In fact, if you were looking toward the extreme future, this card even supports a maximum display resolution of 8K UHD. While 8K gaming might still be a few years away for the mainstream, having 8K video output means this card is ready for next-generation media consumption in high-end creative workflows. But what good is all this raw power and speed if the card sounds like a jet engine taking off in your bedroom, or worse, overheats and throttles your performance? This is where GIGABYTE absolutely separates itself from the competition with their legendary thermal design. The RX 7700 XT Gaming OC features the iconic 3X WINDFORCE system. If you are not familiar with WINDFORCE, let me break down why it is so highly regarded. This card is equipped with 3 massive custom-designed cooling fans, but they don't just spin normally. Gigabyte utilizes an alternate spinning technology. The middle fan spins in the opposite direction of the 2 outer fans. This might sound like a minor detail, but it's a massive engineering win. It dramatically reduces air turbulence between the fans and increases the overall airflow, pushing down into the massive aluminum heatsink. Combined with composite copper heat pipes that make direct contact with the GPU die and the VRAM, the heat dissipation on this card is truly top tier. Even when you're pushing the card to its absolute limits during a marathon gaming session, the WINDFORCE system keeps the temperatures incredibly low, and lower temperatures mean more stable boost clocks, which ultimately translates to higher and more consistent frame rates for you. Plus, thanks to the 3D active fan feature, if you're just browsing the web, watching YouTube, or doing light office work, the fans will turn off completely, giving you a totally silent desktop experience. Aesthetically, the gaming OC looks phenomenal. It strikes that perfect balance between a sleek, aggressive gamer look without being overly flashy or gaudy. It features a sturdy, high-quality metal backplate that not only prevents the physical PCB board from sagging over time, but also adds an extra layer of passive cooling. And of course, there is a tasteful splash of RGB lighting on the side logo, which is fully customizable through Gigabyte's Control Center software. You can sync it up with the rest of your desktop's lighting to match your exact setup theme. Let us shift gears for a second and talk about software, because AMD's Adrenalin Edition software suite adds immense value to this hardware. When you buy the RX 7700 XT, you are getting access to AMD's incredible software ecosystem. Features like AMD Radeon Super Resolution and Fidelity FX Super Resolution 3, or FSR3, are game changers. FSR3 uses advanced upscaling and frame generation technology to literally artificially generate new frames in supported games. This means you can take a game that is running at 60 frames per second and boost it to 100 or 120 frames per second with virtually no noticeable loss in visual quality. It's like downloading free hardware upgrades. Furthermore, you get AMD anti-lag technology to reduce input latency, making your mouse clicks register faster in competitive shooters. All of these software features work in perfect harmony with the RX 7700 XT hardware to deliver an experience that feels incredibly premium. To summarize, why should the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7700 XT Gaming OC 12G be your next upgrade? First, it is the undisputed champion of 1440p value right now. It destroys games at 1440p on high to ultra settings. Second, the 12 gigabytes of GDDR6 VRAM ensures you will not be forced to upgrade again in a year just because games got more demanding. Third, the factory overclock to 2599 MHz gives you a free performance bump right out of the box. And finally, the triple-fan WINDFORCE cooling system guarantees that your desktop remains cool, quiet, and reliable for years to come. If you are building a new mid to high tier gaming PC, or simply upgrading an older rig to conquer modern titles, this graphics card is an absolute no-brainer. It delivers the raw rasterization performance that gamers actually care about, wrapped up in a premium Gigabyte design that's built to last. If you're ready to elevate your gaming experience and leave lag and low frame rates in the dust, you know what to do. Head down to the description right now and click that Amazon link to check the current pricing and availability. Buying through that link is the easiest way to support this channel so we can keep bringing you in-depth tech reviews, hardware reviews, and tech deals. Thank you all so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you have not already, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest PC building guides, hardware reviews, and tech deals. Drop a comment below and let me know, what graphics card are you currently upgrading from, and what is the first game you're going to play when you install your new RX 7700 XT? I'll be down in the comments chatting with you guys. Until next time, happy building, happy gaming, and I will see you in the next video.